Good morning, dear students. We'll do revision work in EVS from the competency identification. Puran poli is a sweet roti made from jaggery and gram. चना और गुड़ से बनाई जाती है पूरन पोली. We use stethoscope to listen to the heartbeats. So stethoscope is an instrument which is used to listen to the heartbeat. STETHOSCOPE. A disease that affects the legs is polio. Chero dance is performed in Mizoram. Full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. You have to name 2 harvest festivals. You can write the names of any 2 festivals which are related to farming, be it Bihu, be it Lodi, Bisakhi, Makar Sankranti, anything you can write. Okay. Next, coming to the explain type questions. Adoption. What is adoption? Adoption means when you are adopting a child legally. You are not in blood relation to the child, where the child does not resemble the parents who have adopted him or her. And hereditary means the inheritance of the traits from parents. Write any 2 ways in which you can save fuel. You can write any of the 2 things. It can be do carpooling or switch off the engine at red light. It can be switch to eco-friendly fuels. Okay. Anything else you can write is how to save petrol or how to save fuel. You can write that we can use walk for smaller distances or shorter distances. We can ride a bicycle instead of a car. Okay, all these can be said in this. Look at the pictures below showing 5 different types of stoves. You have to write the name of the fuel which is used in different types of stoves. So for this kerosene is required. For this coal या उपले जो cow dung cakes होते हैं या wood होता है firewood, that is used in this LPG, liquefied petroleum gas is used, and finally this works on electricity. So complete this work in your notebook and also revise it.